Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important science and technology topic, the recent burning issue, that is Operation Spider Web. What is the Operation Spider Web? Ukraine, Russia, there is a quarreling. So the quarreling means the war is going on from 2 years onwards. War is going on. When war should stop, we too don't know. So now Ukraine's Operation Spider Web, there is a name of the Operation Spider Web. Under the Operation Spider Web, a swarm of Ukrainian drones struck at last 5 military air bases deep inside Russia's borders on June 1st. On June 1st, 2025, and so left some 41 bomber aircrafts in a flames. So they are Ukraine people, it is a small country. Enter into the Russia ground, one a Ryazan and Ivanova and Murmansk and Irkutsk and Amur region. These 5 regions, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. In 5 Russian air base centers, military air base centers, they targeted and they thrown the 41 bombers through drones. This is a great attack from Ukraine side on Russia. Clear? Once we have to see what is this. Under its Operation Spider's Web, Ukraine launched the first-person view drone attack on 5 air bases across the Russia. What is the first-person view drones? What is the meaning of the first-person view drones? Means the first-person view drone or the first-person view drones are smaller size. These are smaller size, have cameras built on the front, which sends live video to the operator who is operating the drone. That person can see through the this particular drone first person view. This enables precise flying and maneuverability by the operator from a remote location, almost like aircraft like that, so it can fly. So these drones used Russian mobile telephone networks. To relay their footage back to Ukraine. Russian footage back to the Ukraine. They are using the Russian mobile telephone network only. From their network, they attacked the Ukraine, attacked 41 bombers at a time, 5 air base in the Russian land. Clear? So this is this operation, they kept the name Operation Spider Web. In our competitive examination, you have to remember what is the Operation Spider Web. Belongs to which country? Belongs to Ukraine country. These people are attacked through the first person view drones. Clear? So please remember these things. So please share and subscribe our YouTube channel and listen, like these videos I will upload in our YouTube channel, and listen and enjoy and encourage our YouTube channel and success in your competitive examination through our science and technology. Thank you.